Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Scar. Scar is a fibrous tissue which is covered by epithelium which is devoid of hair follicle, sweat, sebaceous glands, pigment and elastic tissue. So scar is covered by epithelium, but scar epithelium present over the scar does not contain hair follicle, sweat, sebaceous glands, pigments and elastic tissue. Age of scars. At 5 to 6 days, by 5 to 6 days, the scar becomes reddish or bluish angry scar. By 14 days, the scar becomes pale, soft and tender. By 2 to 6 months, the scar becomes white, glistening and non-tender. By more than 6 months, the scar becomes very tough. Examination of scars. Faint scar is visualized by application of heat or ultraviolet light.
thank you and thank you for watching.